Today we're going to be looking at the Kingbolen. It's a 4-in-1 tool, connects to Wi-Fi, 64 gigabyte onboard of storage, 4 gigabytes of memory, 6-inch touchscreen. It does a diagnose, battery, tire pressure monitor system, printing, K6 Pro intelligent automotive detection tool. Looks like on the tool it has a time, 9:09 a.m., the Wi-Fi, battery. You can log in. It says K6 Pro diagnose. Has like a little maintenance man. Battery, the TPMS. You can update the tool. Reports, settings, video scope. Looks like it opens up somewhere here on the flap. So let's see. I'll go ahead and open it up. So it comes in like a pretty big, like a blow mold case. It says Kingbolen. It has two little things up top. Looks like you just open it here. Same thing there. Push it back. And I'll lay it down. How you open it. Oh, got caught right here. You gotta bend these back just a little bit. Looks like it has some accessories over here. Some more over here. Some paperwork. Something, the packing list, main unit, OBD1 transfer tool, cigarette lighter tool, light fuse, battery clamp, cable, power, printing, some different little stuff, different adapters. So it does do battery testing. It has your negative clamp, your positive clamp. They are pretty springy, so it opens up. We'll see if this thing has some juice. Let's see if it has some juice in it. It says paper-like side. It does have a Type-C connector, USB out. Looks like it has a camera on the back. Little carrying strap. K6 Pro. This little flap right here opens up. Oh, that's where the paper prints out. Okay. So let's see, here's a little adapter. I think it's a wired unit, not a Bluetooth. That'll plug in. Some other adapter right here. Looks like the power button. I'll try to turn it on. Okay, it does have some charge. It says paper-like side. Okay. So let it boot up. Just says Kingbolen on the front. Working voltage 5 volts, working current 3 amps. Okay. So it says diagnose, maintenance, battery, TPMS, reports, update, settings, video scope. So yeah, it's a touch screen. Scroll over personal center, feedback, others, login. What does others do? Album, files, system, over-the-air update, remote diagnose, browser, email, camera. So you can open up the camera. It has like, I don't know what the megapixels is, but you can see it does have a camera. How do you go back? I think this little button right here. Well, that'll take you to pictures. I'll just take a picture and then go look at it. So that's the camera quality right there. Not too bad. Let's see. Let's give it a second. Okay, that returned to the camera. Let's see. Alright, so you just swipe to the side, like in the middle of the screen, you just swipe left over. Kind of like how you do here with that. It shows you that little arrow. So you just move it over that way. Okay, so I'm still figuring this thing out. Browser, email, upgrade, files. Let's see. Let's go back over. Oh, you got to go into others. Okay, now you can swipe over. Feedback. I think if you do feedback, you can tell them like any little bugs, any problems. Login, settings. It's like an Android tablet, basically, is what this thing is. Network, connected devices, Bluetooth, apps and notifications, display, sound, storage. Comes with a lot of storage, like 64. So minus the operating system, you get around 49 gigs. Volume, vibration, do not disturb. Accounts, accessibility, system, about the tablet. Let me set it up to the Wi-Fi, and then I'll go from there, see if it has any updates. Alright, so I got it connected to the Wi-Fi. It shows this to be the current version, V1.1_20230420-1830. To check the version. Let's see. I'll give it a second to check. Alright, so it did say current version is the latest version. That means it's updated. Okay, so we can go back. I just swiped over. We can check it out if it needs any updates here. Okay, so you do need to make a username and password. That's what I'm going to do. Looks like you'll go into new registration. Okay. Alright, so it looks like once you build your account, you create the account at step 1, you activate the VCI, the Vehicle Communication Interface, I believe is what it's called. Finish registration. Congratulations, you have successfully completed your registration. Click OK to download the model software. So let it load. Firmware upgrade program, TPMS firmware upgrade program, auto search. So I need to download auto search, update. So it'll have like different models like Ford, Toyota, Chevrolet, Chrysler, Citroen, Demo, DR, EOBD2. We'll update these. Firmware upgrade. Yeah, whatever's the latest. V20.50, okay. TPMS firmware upgrade. We'll let that update. Diag-based service app. K6 Pro app. I already got auto search. Currently in a Toyota / Lexus. VinFast. Added basic functions. I'll download it. I don't know which one that one does. We'll find out. Renewals. So the subscription renewal card. I believe this one comes with 2 years worth of updates, so you don't have to go for none of that right now. But it says upgradable software is 54, installed 76. So it tells you all the ones. These are like the special functions and features. Okay, tire resets, Windows calibration. Okay, we'll leave that alone for now. These other ones are downloading. So let these finish downloading. Alright, so I got the vehicle plugged in to a Toyota RAV4. Let's see. We'll do auto detect, connect to VCI. Read the VIN. Decode the VIN. Toyota or Toyota EV. This is just a regular, not an electric vehicle. It'll load. 16-pin DLC, 17-pin Toyota, 17-pin Toyota set area. I believe it should be a regular 17-pin Toyota. That's Europe and other. Let's do this one. Looks like you can go into the ECM, the SRS, electronic control transmission, anti-lock braking system, cruise control, air suspension. Let's go look at engine control module. Select a connector, yes. Diagnostic trouble code info. No signal output from the diagnostic socket. Read code from the check engine lamp. Do you want to inquire trouble code information by enter trouble code numbers associated by the flashing? No. Let's go back in. What is 17-pin Toyota 17F? Set area, North America. Succeeded to set area. Okay. Oh, that's probably the one I need. A 16-pin DLC. Communicating with ECU to retrieve the mileage. Toyota Motor Manufacturing Canada. Huh. With the smart key or without the smart key. Yeah, this is the right one I need to be in right now. This is just a regular without the smart key. And then it says, yeah, it pulls the mileage. Okay. If communication abnormally occurs during the test, please ensure whether the vehicle is equipped with other parts. If other parts are installed, you can try to remove parts and then perform the test. Thank you. Scanning for data. We'll check it out. Alright, so I did like a health report where it scans all the modules, road sign assist, lane control, telematics system, immobilizer. It's showing a code, but that's just because the XM tuner is disconnected on this vehicle. The telematics transceiver is disconnected. Front recognition camera heater malfunction. This vehicle doesn't have the camera. On this one, it doesn't have like that radar deal in the front. And then driver door motor, I went ahead and checked it all out, and it's working just fine. So I'm just going to clear the codes because, I mean, the voltage and pin outs and everything's just fine. After doing a rescan, it'll do a rescan in the bottom. It's always rescanning, that's what it shows as a status. But I'm not showing any error codes. I mean, I scan up and down. Everything shows to be good.